Alright, this will be the card trick tutorial and review video for the killer prediction card trick that was taught today on Thursday during free time. And I'll first show you the trick and then show you guys how to do it. So, for this trick, I need to get out some prediction cards. So, this will be my first prediction right here. I'll just place it down. And let me get out a second prediction. This will be my second prediction. And I'm going to have a third prediction that's a little secret. I'll keep it off to the side over here and cover the box, so can't do anything funny with it. Alright, so we've got a normal deck, and now I'm going to give the card some cuts. Just like that. Cut the deck up, get it lost, and now I just need somebody to tell me when to stop whenever they like.
Stop.
There?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll take my first prediction in, put it down right there, place the rest of the cards on top. And now we're going to give the cards some more cuts. Alright, and I need you to tell me when to stop one more time, Steven. Just whenever you'd like.
Stop.
Okay, place the Jack of Hearts in right there, place the rest of the cards on top. And let's see where you stop me. Alright, so you stop me in these two locations. So you taught me at the card right here, face to face, the card face to face with the 4 of clubs, and right over here with the card face to face with the Jack of Hearts. All right. So let's see where you stopped me. So my first prediction was the 4 of clubs, and you happened to stop me at the match to the 4 of clubs, the 4 of spades. And my second prediction was the Jack of Hearts, and you happened to stop me at the match of the Jack of Hearts, the other red Jack, the Jack of Diamonds. But that's not all. I actually had a secret prediction over here in the corner underneath this box the entire time. And it was the Ace of Spades, and you happened to stop me at the other 3 aces. Alright, so that's the trick, and now I'll show you guys how to do it. So first there's a slight setup. So you want to get out your 4 aces, just like this. And you want to get out 2 pairs of soulmates. So you could be 2 black 4s, 2 red jacks, like I did, or you get 2 black 6s, 2 red queens, or whatever you want. And then what you want to do, the setup is this. First you want to take a red ace, set it down. Then you want to take your first prediction, or the match to your first prediction, set it down. Then you want to take the other red ace, set it down on top of that. And then you want to take the match to your second prediction, set it down, and then take a black ace. I take the ace of clubs because I like having the ace of spades in my prediction, so I'll just do that. Then you take these 5 cards, place them on top of the deck. And then you take these 3 cards. These are your 3 predictions. So you want to take the first prediction, place it somewhere near the bottom of the deck, right here, set it in. Then take your second prediction, set it in somewhere near the middle, like that. And then take the secret or last prediction, set it in kind of in the middle to top area, maybe like right over here, like that. And then you're ready to go. You can pull the cards out of the box. You can do some false cuts if you'd like. Just makes it look fancier. You don't have to though. Just keep the deck. You just make sure the order of the deck does not change. And then first you're just going to start out by saying I'm going to go and make some predictions. So you want to go to your first prediction, which for me is my black 4, the 4 of clubs. And you say this is my first prediction. You set it down face up. Then you go a little deeper. You look for your second prediction. And mine was the Jack of Hearts, the Jack of Hearts. So I'd take that, set it down face up, and then you want to go find your ace, or your ace of spades, or whichever ace you had. And then you say, this is my third prediction, but this is a secret prediction, so I'm going to set that down to the side under the card box. And then you flip the deck back over, and you want to push off the top 2 cards, which should be a red ace and the match to your first prediction. And then you want to get a little pinky break. So push them off, grab a pinky break under those top 2 cards, and then convert it to a thumb break really quickly like that. And the way I performed it is I cut some cards from the bottom, put them to the top, and I transferred those 2 cards I had a break under to the top packet. Then I cut the top packet into 2 piles, placed the pile there, pile here. So the 2 cards that I want to get to the bottom, the red ace and the match to the first prediction, are in this pile, and then I place these cards on top of the other pile, place these all on top. A more simpler way that you can do it is you just take these 2 cards that you have the break under, and you can just do a double undercut, and you just take the cards, take some cards from the bottom, cut it in half, move those to the top, transfer the 2 cards to that pile, and then move the rest of the cards to the top. And whatever you need to do to get these 2 cards to the bottom. And then, now you're ready to go for the first prediction, and you just deal down cards, asking the spectator to tell you when to stop. So you deal down cards, and they'll say stop, wherever, and then you place in your first prediction face up, and then place the rest of the deck on top. Now you need to get a pinky break under the bottom card. So you want to pull off the bottom card like this, just like this, with how I do it with my pinky, and then convert it to a thumb break like that. And then this is similar to the other before, except this time you cut cards off the top. So you take some cards off the top, and then you drop this card onto that pile, and then you just finish the cut. And that should get that card, the red ace, to the other red ace to the top of the deck. And that should be the match to their prediction, should be on the bottom now. And you just deal down cards and ask them to tell you when to stop whenever they like. Let's say they say stop here, then place it in, place the rest of the cards on top, and then you can just spread the deck out, and you'll see your two prediction cards face up. And you want to go to those 2 prediction cards, so take all the cards above the card face to face with their prediction. So just take these cards, set them aside, and make a pile. Set those there, and then take the match, the card face to face with your prediction, and then you want to do that again with your second prediction. Take all the cards above the card face to face with it, and make a little pile, set them aside, and then take the card face to face as well as the prediction, and then take these cards, make a pile. And now you should have 3 piles here, and then you have the card face to face with 4 and the card face to face with the jack, or your 2 predictions. And then you can reveal these cards as the matches, and you just say that these are, you happen to stop me anywhere, but you happen to stop me at the matches to my 2 predictions. And then you can pull your secret prediction out now and say that I actually had a secret prediction, the ace of spades, and you also happen to stop me at the other 3 aces. And you flip over the entire pile. Don't flip over the top card, flip over the entire pile. And all the aces should be there. And it's a great trick. It's a little difficult. There's some card sleights, but if it's your favorite trick, be sure to practice a lot for the magic show tomorrow. And I'll see you guys all next time.